Welcome back to another Dishes by MI video. Before I start, I just want to apologize for being away for so long, but I'm back now and I'm ready to give you guys more amazing content. So today I'll be teaching you guys how to make banana chocolate chip pancakes. Really moist, really delicious, really quick, really easy. A great breakfast option. So without further ado, let's get to the video. So the ingredients you'll need to make these deliciously moist pancakes are 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 2/3 cups of milk, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 1 egg, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 ripe banana, it's even better if it's overripe, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 tablespoon of vanilla, and finally a 1/4 cup of chocolate chips. Now a trick is with these chocolate chips, you want to keep them in the freezer or in the fridge until they are really cold. I'll tell you guys why later. To begin, we're going to crush our ripe banana in a medium-sized bowl. You want to crush it until it's as smooth as possible and almost no lumps can be seen. It's okay if a few lumps are in there, but try your best. Next, we're going to add our cup of flour and we're going to mix until an even mixture is formed. Next, we're going to spice up our pancakes with a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, then a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. Then we're going to combine until all the ingredients are properly incorporated. Next, we move on to our wet ingredients. Add our egg, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 1 tablespoon of vanilla, and combine again until all the ingredients are properly incorporated. We're almost finished with the batter now. Finally, add 2/3 cups of milk, gradually of course. You'll know you're finished when you have an almost smooth batter, which is pourable but not runny. Here's a visual aid to help you understand what I mean. Now it's time to add our chocolate chips. Remember earlier in the video I suggested that we keep our chocolate chips cold? Well, here's the reason. When we're cooking our pancakes, we don't want all that chocolatey goodness to melt out of the pancake and to result in a messy finish. When we keep our chocolate chips cold, the chocolate chips only melt slightly and they result in a beautiful velvety finish when the pancakes are cut. Now to cook our pancakes. In a large frying pan, we're going to heat about a tablespoon of vegetable oil. Then we're going to add a 1/4 cup of butter for each pancake. They are ready to be flipped when holes begin appearing at the top and the top looks a bit shiny, as you can see in the video. Allow them to fry for about a minute or two on the other side or just until brown. We don't want to melt the chocolates now. Then allow them to dry on a bit of absorbent paper towel. And just like that, we're finished making our delicious banana chocolate chip pancakes. I like to top my pancakes with a few banana slices, a drizzle of honey, some cinnamon sugar, and finally some of those delicious chocolate chips. Now the only thing left to do is dig in and enjoy. If you've made it to the end of the video, I just want to say a big thanks for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and comment down below what you want to see me do next. Also, check out my Instagram page for a lot of great content. Keep safe, and until next time, walk good.